So let's just talk about Axios in React. So Axios is a JavaScript library and that is primarily used to make HTTP requests. And in React it is commonly used to handle the API calls. And the Axios offers easy to use methods like we can use the get method, the put method, and also post and delete method. So we can use Axios.get for the get request, and also we can use Axios.put for the put request. So let's just talk about few of the advantages of Axios. So first of all, with Axios the syntax is simple with compared to the native fetch API of the React. So React by default uses the fetch to fetch data, but with Axios the syntax is much more simpler. Secondly, here we have automatic JSON transformation. That means Axios will automatically convert JSON into JavaScript object. Here we don't have to use .json for the conversion, which we had to do in case of the fetch API. Here this happens automatically. And also here we can easily handle the request and the response very easily with Axios. So here you can see we are using the fetch to fetch data from this API. Let's now use Axios instead of this fetch. So first of all we have to install the Axios from the npm. So we have to write npm install Axios. So you can see Axios is successfully installed into our package. Now we can use Axios instead of this fetch. So here first of all we have to import Axios. So import Axios from Axios. So here instead of the fetch we can use Axios.get, and here we don't have to use this JSON transformation because this is happens automatically with Axios. So here we can directly set response.data, and that's it. Now if we check, so here, so now if we pass one ID, so you can see we are getting the to-do title of that corresponding ID. So that means the app is working properly, and this time we are not using fetch, we are using Axios to perform the same task, and which is lot more simpler, and we don't have to use any kind of JSON transformation. So this is the way we can easily use Axios and we can perform get, put, post and delete request. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.